Okay, hello friends, welcome to NKC Classes Science channel. In our today's video, we are going to see nucleophilic substitution unimolecular reaction. Commonly, we say it as SN1 reaction mechanism. See, this is so much simple. As the name itself said that nucleophilic substitution, it means in this types of reaction mechanism, some nucleophile will come from the outside and the present nucleophile will interchange with it, or you can say substitute with it. Likewise, I'm saying that suppose you are having RCl, haloalkene, and from outside OH minus as a nucleophile is coming. When it attacks on this bond, because this is a polar bond in this, so Cl will remove out like Cl minus by taking electrons from the R by creating R positive, which is commonly known as carbocation. So first step is formation of carbocation. Nucleophilic substitution unimolecular reaction involves two steps. Write it down. Two steps are involved, in which first step is formation of carbocation. How it will form? The incoming nucleophile will polarize this bond so that this bond get broken, and it will be broken like the electronegative part will have negative ion, and the carbon will get positive, or you can say it will form a cation, which is known as carbocation. Simple. This is the first step. And why this happened? Due to the incoming nucleophile. After that, when R plus forms, this OH minus attacks on R plus. This OH minus attacks on R plus to make ROH, and this Cl will leave the compound. Hence, we can say it as a leaving group. Okay, GROUP. So it is a incoming nucleophile, and what are nucleophile? Nucleus loving species. It means it will love from the positive charge. That is why when it came, this Cl minus as a leaving group moved from this, and then after that Cl minus is leaving, but here it is Cl, so it will take electron from the carbon also by making carbon as a cation. Okay, then Cl minus only will form, and then it will leave. Okay, so this is happening in the nucleophilic substitution reaction. First step was formation of carbocation. Second step was attacking of species. Then why, sir, unimolecular? Why we are saying that this is a nucleophilic substitution unimolecular? See why. Actually, there are two reactions, or you can say there are two steps in this reaction, in which one step is very slow, which is rate determining step, which we can also say rate determining step, or you can say formation of carbocation is the rate determining step, RDS. That is why and the molecules involving in the RDS are only one, which is carbocation itself, R positive. It means the molecularity of this reaction will become 1, because molecularity means number of molecules participating during the product formation, and hence here one molecule only is participating in the product formation, hence its molecularity will be 1. But there will be two steps. Okay, whenever this came like unimolecular, you have to think that two steps, uni for two, and if it is bimolecular, which is SN2 mechanism, in that equation we have only single step reaction in which transition state is formed, which will cover in the next video. So this is all about the nucleophilic substitution unimolecular reaction. See, students, this involves polar protic solvents like polar protic solvents. I'm writing some name like ethanols, water, and many more, or you can say many more organic solvents like toluene, okay, etc. So whenever these types of things you see on the arrow, then you can imagine that SN1 reaction mechanism is conducting place, in which carbocation will form. Also you can say, because RDS involving carbocation, so stability of carbocation will decide rate of the reaction, will decide rate of reaction, okay, because RDS is involving the carbocation formation. So stability, how much stable the carbocation will be, the more will be the rate of that reaction, okay. And you know that 3-degree carbocation is much more stable than 2-degree than 1-degree, okay. This I have taught you in many of the classes, clear. So stability of carbocation is directly proportional to the rate of the reaction in this case. Also you can say nucleophilic substitution unimolecular or SN1 reaction mechanism has order of reaction as 1. Order of reaction is equals to unity. What is order of reaction we will see in our chemical kinetics video. Till then learn this, like order of the reaction is 1, okay. When we will see rate law, how to write rate law, then we will get to know that what is order of reaction. Till then this much is sufficient. If you are knowing that how the nucleophilic substitution unimolecular reaction happens, then you can get good marks in your exams, okay. So hopefully you will understand my points whichever I taught in our today's class. When then we'll meet in our next class by taking some more concept like this only. Till then, be happy and study, and Jai Hind to everyone.